Hello, this is Andy. Andy here. I will to continue my reading article. This article about she leave the hair block. We She leave her block and then uh, give the share the stories about what he doing. Is he doing? She do. She is Karen Benz is a writer from the 16th year since 20H, 2000H, and she she write for the affiliate marketing, and she realize for now the uh, her blog is cost too much, and she should the configure full full website WordPress, like the page, cPanel, etc., and then like visual, you need to give everything an SEO, include SEO. So she create blog. She used the blog like Medium, then and Gumroad, and what Substack. So let's continue. This article is uh, a part of she make the article. So we continue. I abandoned all three of my blogs forever. Here, how going 1 month. She shared her experience. What she doing. 1 month ago, I decided quit my blogs. I wrote why and what I am doing instead in this article. But here, how I went. But in this article before, I did some soul researching. I decided that after 16 year of blogging, I was ready. I made plan for what you just using Medium, Substack, and my own writing plus Gumroad for digital product. I download any content from my blog that I had not already post elsewhere. Very little, to be honest. So actually she already create. So the next I made plan for post that content. I set my hosting to cancel at the end of the quarter. I set my mailer light account to cancel and a month. I set up free Substack newsletter. I set out last email list telling them the blog were being retired. I advise my subscribe to download anything from my resource library making it. So maybe she have a resource from she. So here her hosting. I transfer my writing list to Substack because the content I was sending out was going very similar. I told them that was happening. I invite my other list to follow on Substack if they want. I put my domain names up for sale. Oh, here afternoon. Welcome to World Premier Marketplace. Oh. So is the selling buying domain. Let's see. Oh, GoDaddy. Let's see. Andy.co. Oh, this new domain. You know, I threw myself to new business model. I celebrate. Do I have any regret? No, I feel amazing. I'm not saying this is the right road for everyone reading this, but it was right for me. Let me reiterate. I had been blogging for 16 years. That way too long to be doing the same things weeks after week. Even if you enjoy, and I had not been enjoying it for a while. I also point out that blogging was never my main income source. I'm a freelance writer with few clients I love working for, and an agency that sent me variable amount of freelance content creation work each month. I was ready focus were on my freelance work as well as more on other platform I have mentioned. I'm aware that I lost a lot subscribers around 2000 when I quit my Light, but I lost them for unresponsive lists that focus on topic that I no longer feel aligned with. I thought I might regret that, but I really don't. I feel like I'm starting to clean slate over at Substack, building the mostly new community. I also feel I am going back to my root in many ways. My first WordPress blog after I graduate away from blogger.com since 2008 was called Change the World with Word. That was my Substack newsletter is called to. That's what I always want to have at the heart of writing, and that is what returning. Return. I'm returning to with full force. I love that I have replaced the messy, stressy, multiple list, group, and segments situation with one superbly aligned with my goal right now. Simple sign up option. My first month as non-blogger. So how is it going? I have to say I am loving it. I'm loving not having to spend time in messy WordPress backend, worrying about my plugin and backup analytic and moderating a gazillion comment and contract form and try entries and are mostly spam or at least very spam like. I essentially only have three dashboard right now, and these are Medium, Substack, and Gumroad. I'm pretty happy with how they are looking, even though I have done nothing but get set up on Substack and send out a handful of weekly posts. Things are not too shabby. I have gained around 100 new followers. I broke the first 300 and so over from my other list. And while I do really like to see a better open rate, it's actually high, higher higher than it was over at Mailer Lite. Plus, I'm looking on the current content I'm creating as building a foundation for my future over there. which will no doubt eventually involve a paid offering. My Medium dashboard is looking okay too. I have my first four-figure month in a while, and two of my articles have now hit the $2,000 mark. I realize this is not too much compared to the really big player on platform, but I'm more happy with it. Give, given my current level of activity and what my long-term goals are. I also think it's significantly that my Medium article had flatlined for a while due to much time spent my blog, but I pick up as soon as actually finish the process of retiring my blogs and switch my focus to Medium. The last platform I focus is Gumroad, which I am using sell my digital product to offer free resource my reader and extra email marketing tool since it has the ability to email both paid customer and these who have downloaded the free product. I have a handful of new digital product already planned out and will be launching them through the rest of the year. But for now, again, I'm happy with how my dashboard is looking. Hi Karen, welcome to back my the Gumroad 1000. Remember, the sales feature include free download, which is why it might not seem practically well matched with the revenue figure. So, should you get rid of your blog? Honestly, not necessary. Overall, I'm happy with where things are going. Being a non-blogger is right for me at at this stage in my life and business development, but I also don't regret the 16 year I spent blogging. I maybe regret the last year and or two, but I think it's human nature to hang on to situation, relation, relationship, and stuff in general just little too long. That just sound cause fallacy. At what? If you're loving your blog, don't quit yet. Some bloggers make awesome money and building amazing community on around their blog. That could be you. But monitor the situation. Develop some self-awareness. Check in with your regularity. Make sure you are still getting the reward you want from your blog and from your online business model in general. I do have quick word of advice. If you have not started blogging yet, consider it carefully. Maybe delay a little, decide whether it might be a path better path for you, pet. For you to build an audience through free platform. If you decide invest a blog, you have really invest in it. So make sure you are ready. And no, I'm not just talking about money. Starting a block is cheaper than it's ever been. Though there are almost paid extra available than ever before. It mainly time you will investing and effort creative bandwidth. Think through fully. Make sure you have that time, effort, and creative bandwidth availability. Of course, it's possible I will change my mind. Maybe I will be overcome with regret, having a meltdown into puddle of self pity in 6 months. I would not that be in entertaining. If you think that something you do like to watch, follow along. I will documenting everything, include the mistake. So it should be fun, or just want your written chance to word her over my substage. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.